Today we headed to Taichung, travelling on the high-speed rail. We focus on the street sounds and the hustle-bustle of the cityscape.
Taiwan's known for its markets, and Fengjiao Night Market is one of the biggest.
So as you can see, these sort of food you might find in night markets, and it's actually quite popular as well. So I might be a bit squirmish over it, but it actually tastes great.
Okay, in our next segment we incorporated an iPhone application called RJDJ. So what RJDJ is, it has different themes and scenes you can select, and it grabs the sound from around you, records that, and converts that into to like a very instrumental beat, acoustic music. And so what we did, we walked around the streets of Taichung. Emma made one and I made one, and it's going to be a battle off between us two. So comment below and let us know which one you like the best.
So for something less amateurish and more professional, we interviewed musician MoShang, who incorporates sounds from around him in his music.
MoShang. I've been living here in Taichung in Taiwan for about 6.5 years now, going on 7 years. So I make music, down-tempo electronica music. What I try to do is incorporate sounds that I hear around me from the environment. We have these noisy blue trucks and lots of quite a lot of traditional instruments, funerals and weddings and that kind of thing, and karaoke, streets karaoke, that kind of thing. I try to incorporate and use that in my music, and it's kind of busy stuff, so it's interesting for me to mix it with something more laid back. The laid-back beats and that kind of thing, and I think it makes for an interesting mix. I play in most of my shows are in Second Life, which is like an online virtual world, and I play here in the studio and send the music up that I create live into the virtual world, and I play there for an audience. There are many venues in Second Life, and then each week I play about 3-4 shows a week, and then every week one of those shows I will make available online. My website is MoShang.net, MoShang.net, and you can download those live online mixes that I make for Second Life, and also my albums are there, so you can listen to the albums and buy it.
Thanks MoShang for your time. All the music you've heard on this video we've made are all sampled from MoShang's Asian Variation CD. If you like what you hear, head to his website and check out more of his songs.